What's going on, everyone? Technical analysis after hours here on the NASDAQ 100. Guys, by the way, I did something very cool. I'm going to be starting something very cool in the Evolution Traders community. I'm going to be doing a daily morning memo that's going to come out either in pre-market or the day before. I'm going over levels that can be traded on the NASDAQ 100, on triple Qs, on the SPY, on Tesla, NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Google, some of the big names that I like to trade. So every day that morning memo will be already posted inside the community. For those of you guys already in the community, give it a look over and see how you guys like that. Should help. With that being said, we're going to look at the NASDAQ 100. We are coming on a little bit of a pullback here. We kind of swept through the previous day lows. However, we are holding support, okay? This move can continue to come back. However, it is forming a little bit of a bull flag on the daily time frame. So don't get too carried away with wanting to short the market before the market has actually put in a day where it's closed below the previous day low. Okay, so today we kind of swept previous day low. You can see here from the 11th, today we swept those lows, and then it was immediately the bulls started to step in. In fact, on the Evolution Traders live call today, we took a scalp, okay? And we got to get better as a team as well. But we took a scalp literally at the low of day. I mean, literally by 2 or 3 points of the low of day, it ran into one of those support levels that we had marked out, and it literally went on a little bit of a continuation bounce. I took 20 points off of the move. It was around 18.5 points. I took that, and then the market ended up continuing to go higher, and it actually went up another 80-90 points after I got out. So with that being said, even with that, I was able to find areas of opportunities to take 4 scalps short on the uptrend. 4 scalps. One of them was a loser, very tight stop loss, and the other 3 were winners, putting the account into nice healthy green. So what we're looking at here is, obviously, if we start getting below 21,054, so 21,054 and a half, I'm going to look for that short position. We do got immediate kind of downside push into 209.34. Okay, if we kind of hold that area, right, going back to this candle here, and where's my drawing tool at? Where's my drawing tool at? Where's the drawing tool? Where's the drawing tool? I'm going to have to fix the drawing tool. But anyways, if we get down into this level here, you could see us have a little bit of consolidation, okay? And if we get a little bit of consolidation there, the price action is still bullish. Again, there will be some short-term opportunities to kind of buy that pullback. Now, if we close below today's low, below 54, if we do close below 54, I would look for an immediate kind of bounce, a little perk to the upside, and then look for that to get rejected going into Wednesday, right? So going into Thursday, look for that little perk off the open and then a pullback. And if we get a pullback, we obviously already know that we take the staircase up and the elevator down. I would be looking at something of 20,785 to get tagged, to be completely honest. That would bring us back to a healthy spot here, right? That would bring us back to a healthy spot where the market can do a little bit of consolidation for maybe 1 or 2 days, and then maybe kick off Friday and or next week with that little bit of a bounce. Again, right now, if we do take out the previous day highs, which is going to be over 21,251, we got immediate upside to 21,391. So those are going to be the levels I'm looking at on the macro side of things. If I was to come over here to the 1 hour chart and kind of get some little sneaky areas, I can find a little bit of a short opportunity. If we do lose 21,072, that would have immediate downside potential to 20,900. Anything to the top side, realistically, I need to see the bulls get over 21,224. I need to see us kind of clear out this consolidation. Today started off very, very choppy, in a sense where the market wasn't really doing anything for about an hour to hour and a half. And then finally we lost those 10 a.m. lows. And then we kind of came down here and tested the overnight session lows, which was a level that we were looking at. We broke through that initial balance, which was another level that we were looking at. And then finally at noontime, we got that big flush. Okay, so that big flush came right into a level of support, and literally we bottom ticked this move here by 5 points, and we took it for 20 points to the upside, and this thing just continued to rally over 120 points. I mean, just an absolute move. Now again, even inside of this 1 hour candle that was going up, there was still some good 20-point pullbacks at a time, 15-point pullbacks at a time. I was looking to short those pullbacks. Again, I was expecting the day to finish red today. Not saying that I wanted to see the day finish red or finish, 300, 400, 500 points down, but I knew that we were going to finish somewhat red. Why is that? Well, we never broke the previous day high. So if we never broke the previous day high and we broke the previous day low, odds are telling you that either it's going to be an inside bar day, it's going to be a consolidation day, or we're going to finish slightly red. So with that being said, those are some of the levels that I'll be looking at. If you guys want access to kind of go over these levels in real time and get access to my analysis and live chat and everything else that goes on in the room, you guys can sign up right now. 24 hours for free. Kind of come in, look around the room. That link is down in the description box below. If you guys need Apex accounts, they are 80% off. It is not being advertised on the website, but they are 80% off. You can use code SAVE NOW. Just make sure you use the link that is down in my description box below. I will see all of you guys on the inside.